Have you ever seen a movie you couldn't stop raving about? Or told all of your friends about the delicious meal you ate at a new restaurant? As a Jeunesse distributor, telling people about your experiences with our products should be as fun and natural as telling them about that great movie or restaurant. We call it social selling, and it's simply about sharing your recommendations with others. People want to know about the experiences others have had before making a purchase decision. This is why social selling works. Just keep it real. After all, our products help people look and feel younger, so it's easy to fall in love with them. And when you really love Jeunesse, people will know you're passionate about the products and they'll want to learn more. You don't need to sell anything. And whether you're sharing your secret to looking 10 years younger or posting before and after pictures on social media, sharing what you love can have serious rewards. So remember, when it comes to social selling, be yourself and have fun. Just share your personal review and let your friends come to you. All you have to do is look young, feel young, live young. Jeunesse.
Jeunesse's earning model is unique in that there are 6 ways to earn. First is retail sales. The products are the most important element to your Jeunesse business and earnings. The first way to earn is when you purchase products at wholesale and sell at retail. You keep the difference. That's all there is to it. A very simple concept. Plus, sign up your first 2 preferred customers who purchase product, and you get $50 USD and 2 free bottles of Jeunesse Cellular Rejuvenation Serum. Sign up 2 more, and you'll get 10 free Jeunesse Serum 7-day samples. This is our Get 2, It's Paid For You program. The second way to earn is retail sales bonuses. When you decide to join Jeunesse, you're offered optional packages that include various quantities of product. Earn points when your customers purchase products, or when you purchase products to sell to the people you know. Once you earn 100 points, you are a distributor and have started your own business. When you share the business with others and start to build your team, you earn a bonus when one of your new team members places a product order. The retail sales bonuses range from $25 to $200. The size of your bonus depends on how much product you sell. The third way is team commissions. Now, if you simply want to share our products and earn commissions on retail sales only, you can. However, building a team of like-minded people who share the same vision and passion as you, who also share the products and opportunity, is where your earning potential opens up. Remember, this is where Jeunesse invests their marketing dollars, into people like you, for sharing the products and business opportunity with others. When you start, you'll build 2 teams, one on your right and one on your left. As your teams grow, you earn points for the products your team members purchase. The more products your team sells, the more team commissions you earn. When one of your teams reaches 600 points and the other reaches 300 points, you also earn a $35 team commission, also called cycle bonus. The best part about the team commission bonus is that it's a recurring bonus, meaning you continue to earn a $35 bonus every time your teams achieve the 600-300 points. So, if your teams reach the 600-300 10 times a month, you earn an extra $350. 20 times a month? That's $700. What would you do with that kind of extra money? It's simple math, really. The faster your teams grow, the more frequently you'll earn the team commissions. The fourth way is leadership matching bonus. Jeunesse also believes that you should be rewarded for being a leader to your teams. The more successful you are in training your team members, the more successful they'll be at selling the products, and the more you will earn. At Jeunesse, the system recognizes the people you personally bring to your teams as your first-level team members and pays you 20% of their team commissions. Let's say your friend Stacy gets busy building her teams and makes $1,000 for the month. At 20%, you earn $200. This bonus applies month after month, and the best part is there is no limit to how many people you can personally bring to your teams. More team members on your first level equals more potential activity and more earning possibilities for you. This particular bonus can extend even beyond the team members you personally enroll. As you progress and grow in your team, you are awarded the leadership matching bonus up to 7 levels. Let's go back to Stacy. The team members she personally enrolls are considered her second-level team. awarding 15% of their team building efforts. The people they personally enroll are considered third-level team, on which you earn 10% and then 5% on your 4th through 7th level teams. All paid to you week after week. This is our leadership matching bonus. Being a good leader and helping others is exponentially rewarding. The 5th way to earn is the customer acquisition incentive. When you have 5 active customers in a month, your leadership matching bonus increases from 20% to 25% on your first level team match. If you have 10 active customers in a month, that match bonus increases to 30%. The 6th way to earn is the diamond pool. The diamond pool is a shared bonus pool made from 3% of the company's global product volume. This is divided up based on the shares each diamond leader has accumulated. There you have it, 6 simple ways to earn with your Jeunesse business. Just think how Jeunesse could change you and your family's lives. An extra few $100s a week, a few thousand more a month. How could that impact your situation? The possibilities and earning potential is here. Really, it comes down to you, taking the chance to embrace something new. Jeunesse just might be the answer you're looking for.